Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. Euro currency is dropping lower, and actually it is swerve a bit from the perfect price shape that we discussed. As you know, we would like to see that the pullback will be to some major support. Definitely speaking, we talked in our weekly report about the confidence support, which we thought it should be enough the market to show respect to this level and then start upward reduction. The deeper and a bit irrational price action from the bullish point of view on intraday chart tells us two things. First of all, it diminishes the chances on the success because the market is moving lower. The chances on the sharp reversal becomes smaller, just because the bullish market should not break all the support levels, including the confidence support on retracement of the recent action. This is not typical for the bullish market. Second, it raises some questions on the nature of this rally on Friday. So that could be it's just scaring action based on the virus panic that has triggered markets across the board on Friday. And once this pressure is housing a bit, this market returns back to its own driving factors. And that could mean just that this factor that was on Friday is gradually fading and stopped to work. So anyway, we could treat this action that stands stronger to the downside than we thought initially as, of course, factor that makes overall situation weaker, and the context or bullish context becomes weaker as well. Still, currently on the euro currency, we have the trading plan. We know that our invalidation point stands right here based on the bullish grabber on the weekly chart, and until market will not drop below it, this context will be valid. Trend still stands bullish here. Another point that I would like to show you is that, guys, we see different action on the euro and on the dollar index. So while on the euro you can see that 3 sessions stands by far inside of this rally on Friday, on the dollar index it's a bit different picture. So you can see market already stands outside of this Friday action, and trend here has changed. On the dollar index it has changed, and market is standing higher. So of course all this stuff brings no additional positive to the euro currency, and this divergence stands not in favor of the bullish continuation. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here market still stands above the major 618 supports, 110.30 area. It returns that back down to these lows, previously lows, but it stands approximately around this area. So, well, this picture, of course, is not really doesn't look really pleasant to us because it looks a bit confusing, and it's not really good for our eyes, the shape of the price action that we have here. So if you have taken the long position, you would like to see a bit different picture. But still, market currently hasn't broken yet for the vital points. At the same time, on the hourly chart, you can see that, well, it's nothing really good with this first rejection of price, then returning back down to these lows, and it's calling around it. So it seems that market is just fading pullbacks up from the support area and standing to the break it down. Well, currently we see this kind of triangle, and here definitely we see the existence of the strong bearish pressure, because you can see that all pullback stands at this trend line without no attempt even to continue move higher based on the rejection. So market just has returned right back up to this price that has been formed and then just starting drop down. So this is, well, I do not like this price action that we have. It means that currently, guys, in two moments that seems is worth of our attention. First of all, we will have the payrolls on Friday, so that theoretically could make impact on the situation. And the second factor why I'm still think that chances exist, that's probably on some pullback here, is just because of the situation on the DAX index. So if you'll take a look at the DAX, you'll see the market here is forming the hand shoulder shape. And currently, based on this recent rally that we've got on the market, it comes back to the top where right arm top should be formed. So when this market will start dropping, euro could turn to upward action again. So that's the two moments that theoretically could make impact on the overall situation. But in current situation, guys, choice is up to you. You could either wait for and keep setup intact as we have taken the position. We have the setup, we have a validation point, and we should not be falling rush around it, nervous what to do, and just keep calm and just watch what will happen. If you feel uncomfortable with the current situation, if you are worried about this price action that actually not looks really friendly to the overall situation in the euro, well, you could make your own decision what to do. Well, that's a really personal question, but in general, by taking on this overall situation, our invalidation points are not hit yet, but the price action is not some really riddle. It's obvious this price action looks not very bullish based on the spikes and returning back down. So this is a bit not natural price action, especially on the rally that we have before that. So risk of the possible downward breakout has increased in recent two sessions. So that's what we have right now in the EUR.